The drone is helping us save a lot of money. It saves a lot of time, and of course that's a lot of money in our business. Hello, my name is Daniel Jatko. I'm a production technician in LKAB in Kiruna. Kiruna mine is one of the largest underground iron ore mines in the world. I started with drones in 2016, and then later on the Elios 3 came out, and that was a complete game changer with the LiDAR scanner. So from the Elios 3 you get normal video and also the 3D point cloud. One of the most important things is the size, that you can fit it almost everywhere because it's so small. We use the drone for a lot of different applications. It has never really failed on us. The biggest use case for us is doing the ore pass inspections with the drone. Just a single person, a pilot, who can inspect a whole ore pass in like 20 minutes. So we inspect other equipment underground, so like crushers, big equipment that we are using in the mine that usually requires put scaffolding or things like that instead. In case of inspections, before you had drones, you have to have some kind of scaffolding or putting people in danger just to do some simple inspections in places. And in other places, you really couldn't send any people at all inside. So for us here in LKAB, now we can do much more safer inspections.